Today I'm going to show you how to draw up B vitamin injections. First of all, we have injectable vitamins here, each in their own vial. I have a 3 cc syringe, I have two 20 gauge needles, and I have one 25 gauge needle, as well as two alcohol prep pads. You can see that I've opened everything up in preparation for injection today, and I made sure not to touch the ends in order to keep everything clean. So first I'm going to take the alcohol prep pads and I'm going to clean off the tops by scrubbing them. One and two. All right. Next I'm going to take this 3 cc syringe and I'm going to pop the seal by pulling back on the plunger. Next, I'm going to take one of my 20 gauge needles and I'm going to attach it to the end of the syringe by screwing it on. Make sure that seal is broken. I'm going to remove the top and leave it on the table for use when we're done. I'm going to take the first bottle of vitamins. I'm going to hold it in my hand at an angle. I'm going to take the needle with the bevel facing up and I'm going to insert it at about a 30-degree angle. From there, I'm going to pull back on the syringe and draw up 1 cc of the vitamin. To remove it, turn it upside down and swiftly remove the needle so that you don't spray B vitamins. This one's done and we can set it aside. I'm going to replace the cap. And now I'm going to pull down on the plunger until this comes down to the 2. So now you can see we have 1 cc of B complex in there. Now I'm going to remove this needle because we just used it. This will go into our sharps container. And I'm going to pick up the next clean needle. And I'm going to screw this on to the end of the syringe. Now we take our next vitamin. Again, remove the top, place it on the table, and hold the bottle. Bevel up on the needle, insert at a 30-degree angle, and draw up the remaining vitamin until you get to 3 cc's. So now you have a total of 2 cc's. Again, we're going to swiftly remove the needle from the bottle so we don't spray the vitamins, and we're going to replace the cap, the top on the needle. Now you can see you have 3 cc's of vitamin in your syringe. We're going to remove this needle and set it aside, and now we take up the needle that we use for injection. We're going to attach it by screwing it on, and then we push up on the plunger, flick to get out the bubbles, push up until we see it pop out. Watch the top of the needle here. There we go. We got a little bit of vitamin out the top, so now we know the needle is full. And now you're good to go for injection.